Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Cybereason, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Cybereason website. Locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your first name in the designated field. Enter your last name in the next field. Provide a valid email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Review the password criteria if needed. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Fill in your company name. Provide your job title. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. If applicable, opt in for promotional emails. Click the Register button to submit your information. Check your email inbox for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected to a confirmation page on the Cybereason website. Log in using your email and the password you created. You are now successfully registered for Cybereason. Explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the features available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.